I am Dr. Sathya, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So what is mean by PVC? The polyvinyl chloride high strength thermoplastic material. It's a widely used in applications such as pipes, medical devices, wire and cable insulation. The list is endless. So it's the world third most widely produced synthetic plastic polymer. So it's what is PVC? It's a made up of polyvinyl chloride. That's one of the monomer. How it's processed, get detailed technical information on polyvinyl chloride and its future we will discuss here. So polyvinyl chloride is discovered accidentally twice in the 19th century. First the French chemist Henry Victor Renault. So this is a polyvinyl chloride diagram. The vinyl chloride unit as a monomer. So the continuum of monomer to form a big molecule, that's called a polymer. So after that in 1872 by German chemist Eugen Bogmann and 20th century Russian chemist so attempt the use of PVC in commercial products. So this is a image of the PVC pipes. Already we know about the pipes used in an electrical wires and also used in day-to-day life. So the Walrus, Simon and B.F. Goodrich companies developed the method in 1926 to plasticize the PVC by blending it with the various additives. So more flexible and more easily processed material that soon achieved in widespread the commercial use. So the polyvinyl chloride, it's also used in a lot of applications, is economical and versatile thermoplastic polymers. It's also used in building and construction industry to produce door and window profiles. It's also find use in drinking and wastewater pipes and cable insulation, medical device, etc. So the polyvinyl chloride here, the double bonded ethylene and the salt by vinyl chloride, the polymerization. Here the n number of vinyl chloride is condensed to form a PVC, the polyvinyl chloride. It's a best explored material in the world due to the serious scientific research carried out in order to disimprove the acquisitions. So synthesis. PVC are synthesized by using suspension polymerization. So what is meant by suspension? Already the two method in polymerization is commercially used for PVC. Suspension polymerization and bulk and emulsion polymerization. So SPVC and emulsion means EPVC. So the suspension polymerization, the first step is the production of suspension. PVC is also known as SPVC. So it's feed some into the polymerization reaction. So alongside water and suspending agents. So through the high speed of agitations, the small droplets of VCM is formed. So next the initiator and catalyst is soluble in VCM to fed into the reactor, and it's under the pressure and temperature ranging from the temperature 40 to 60. So the VCM droplet is turned into the PVC. So the PVC obtained through the method, the suspended water appears the particle at 50 to 200 micrometer the diameter. So the first step VCM is pressurized and liquid and then fed into the polymerization reactor which contains the water and the suspended agents. So the high speed of agitation within the reactor, the small droplets, already we know that the small droplet particles is a size 50 to 200 nanometer. So the next initiator fed into the reactor. So this is the method of suspension polymerization, already we discussed in previous slide. So in suspension polymerization, the first step is the suspension of PVC in VCM, the polymerization reactor along with the water and suspending agent. So the high speed of agitation, the small droplets are formed. Here the dispersion and also to form the soluble, and third is the final stage. The final stage of SPVC process, the particles PVC is discharged from polymerization reactor and stripped from the unreacted VCM, most of the water is removed. So usually the centrifugation, the solid particles also, the dried, the end result in PVC in the form of white powder or resin. Which is non-toxic, odorless and inert. So importantly, unreacted VCM is recovered and recycled a raw material. So thank you. Today we discussed in PVC and applications and how to synthesis from vinyl chloride to form a PVC. Thank you so much.